Tell me when it starts. Start? Sorry viewers. So welcome back to part 3. And this is part 3, the clearing.
The clearing.
Yeah.
We've made it out of the woods.
You probably know why it's called the clearing. Because there's more. Those are actually different turkey tracks.
Think so?
Yeah, I'm just kidding about that at like because this is like a clear area. At first I thought it was heaven, but no.
What kind of tracks are in front of you?
They look like.
Jeep tracks.
How are you so dumb?
Don't say that.
What? You don't think they're Jeep tracks? What do you think they are?
Look.
Oh, those tracks.
Oh, they're probably.
Coyote. Oh, those are deer.
What is that?
That one's a deer track.
What's this?
I don't know.
Well, now it's destroyed. No more evidence.
Those are pretty big tracks. I don't know.
Oh my God, Dora, did you do something with your hair? Did you get a new haircut? Say, Dora, you like my haircut? Yeah, I like it cut deep. Also, go sub to Bailey Bear. He's not my best. I don't even know him, but sub. Sub to every single you.
You know what they are, babe?
Sub. Sub to sub.
They're deep tracks. Look how big those are. Look.
Come on, there's tracks are these.
I don't know.
What are these tracks? That's final. I think when I watch this video, I'm probably gonna think you're the best cameraman.
Thanks. I'm a woman.
Or camera woman. Not woman.
Woman.
Did you know woman's actually pronounced women?
Yep. I did.
More than one woman is pronounced women. For what? Why is it pronounced women? It doesn't even have 2 E's.
The mystery of the English language.
We're definitely not making an episode about that.
No?
Yeah. I'm probably gonna be like, if we make a part 4, I'm probably
What's
gonna
this?
be like, alright, now that I
Like something's
see it,
hanging.
What?
That track, it's like something's hanging with every step.
Probably Siren Head.
Probably Siren Head.
Yeah. Siren Head. Siren Head's real. I know it.
You know it?
Mommy. There's just too many videos of Siren Head.
There
That
are.
one of them could be real.
Could be.
If you
Like
had,
Bigfoot.
If you
Could
had
be.
every single power you can imagine, and you could just like teleport me to Siren Head, and that you would probably be like, wow, now that I know what Siren Head actually is, I would not. Don't touch the circle. Because they're ice. But they're thick. Alright, now that I see it, it looks like that. We're just seeing a tiny snow globe. How big is the world? It looks like we've taken up. It looks like this is just quarter of the world. But it's not even a quarter. Might be a centimeter of the world. You were giant.
What's the matter?
Nothing. Let me scratch my butt. Sorry, viewer, sorry. Alright, if we see Siren Head, I'm going to hide myself. Because my gun is so bright that Siren Head is probably going to see it.
Yeah.
Hey, we're not even done with the clearing. Well, we're kind of done. I wonder what that path. Really, Dad? You're just going to go on your own? Alright, see you. Bye. See you, Dad.
Where are you going? That's really far from the house. That way. That way is really far from the house.
Alright. Oh, there's a tree.
Let's go check it out.
Oh, yeah. Is that at the reason you wanted to go back up there?
Come on, get up here, boy.
Just to let you all know, viewers, I am afraid of heights. But today, I face my fears. When I've been in the attic, I've just been. Oh, that looks dirty enough. Did you do this, Daddy?
Yeah.
Oh, that's you. Sweet, I get a chance to sit in it. Well, yay!
Hey.
Yes. Just give me a little breeze. Ooh. But if I could actually take the viewers up there, it would be. Hi. Can I take the viewers up there?
No, we'll look at you from up down here. Be careful.
How is this thing so sturdy? Alright, I do not feel like I'm facing up here. Oh. Oh.
Careful.
This is as high as I'm going. If I fall, this is my dad's fault.
No, it's not.
Yes?
You be careful. You getting back down?
Yes.
Okay, hold on with your hands. Put your feet down. There you go. There you go. Now one step at a time coming down. You went up faster, you're coming down. Good job. Almost down. You skipped the bottom two steps. You skipped these. You stand on this one. You jumped.
I was just like, yes. You get my gun.
We're 9.5 minutes in.
We're almost 10. I wonder why we're stopping at 11. So I think
That's what we stopped at the last two at.
after
Tell the viewers what you're doing later.
we're might be doing.
What are we doing? That might be.
We're gonna be doing part 4.
No.
What?
What are we doing later? What do we gotta go do later?
Oh, we gotta go race my Pinewood Derby.
What? Look at the viewers. Look here.
We're
Tell
gonna go
'em.
race my Pinewood Derby!
Your Pinewood Derby.
Right?
You're right.
And the awesome thing is it has Baby Yoda stickers! Put your hands up. Mommy, guess what? Oh, I gotta tell you something. When me and my cousin and when Makai was like in the house, I was outside of his house and I actually made like a stick siren head.
Oh yeah.
And guess what? Once I hit it, we were actually starting to hear some weird noises.
Really?
It's just like it was a voodoo doll.
Voodoo doll.
Why do people
Right.
say like voodoo dolls are active at 3 a.m. but sirens can be out in the daylight.
In the daylight?
Yeah.
You think he's real?
Yes.
Where do you think he lives?
Probably he probably just sits right there waiting for its next victim.
Oh.
Maybe he's out hunting for food.
Maybe. Let's go this way.
All right. And so, Mommy, has it been 11 minutes?
Yes, it has.
We're probably going to end the video. The next video we're doing is part 4, the path.
The path.
Yes, because we're going to be going at path.
Okay.
All right, thank you guys so much for watching so much. So if you like this video, destroy that like button or burn it or do something. And smash that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you never miss another video. All right, bye.